We had a small bathroom that needed a makeover, and we wanted to do it kind of Tiki, kind of Trader Sam's, kind of Jungle Cruise, all those kinds of things. And we love the B-Rex wallpaper from Spoonflower that is reminiscent of Trader Sam's. Check this out. I mean, this is beautiful wallpaper. But you know what? At first, I thought I can't hang wallpaper by myself. But Spoonflower made it so easy. This is just peel and press wallpaper. And I was able to do this wall in probably an hour to get it all up. I'm at the trimming phase right now, but it's almost done. I've got an angled corner to finish. That's going to be fun. But it really is easy. Who hasn't taken a Trader Sam's bathroom selfie in front of that famous wallpaper? Well, this is B-Rex's version of that famous wallpaper, and it looks perfect in this bathroom. I just need to trim it up, and it'll be done. For this wall anyway. I got one more wall to do, but boy, they say don't use it on a textured wall, but man, the little squeegee or whatever you call it that Spoonflower provides, I was able to get this up on our textured wall so easily. I've trimmed around those two corners on that edge, which is probably my most difficult edge I got to deal with, but that came out pretty good. And now I'm just taking off this last little strip. And it's safe to say that this wall is finished. Wow, that was a tough one right there. Actually, it wasn't as bad as I thought. It looked worse than it ended up being, but that came out really nice. I got the bottom edge trimmed. We still have a lot of work to do, but the bottom edge is trimmed. All the sides are trimmed. And our bathroom, worthy of a bathroom selfie, the kind that you like, is coming along just fine.